Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today at Data. Today, we have Nick joining us from ShareFile. So, Nick, welcome, and thank you so much for being with us today. Tell us a little bit more about ShareFile.
Excited to be here, and thanks for the opportunity. So ShareFile, it started out as a collaboration platform, always designed from an external perspective. And what I mean by that is that it's focused around security, collaboration, governance, and ultimately it's a full end-to-end platform from the moment you create a document to the moment that you go and get the e-signature.
Excellent. And what are some of the trends that you're seeing?
What we're seeing right now is specifically sort of around regulations. You're seeing GDPR and HIPAA. You're seeing tax, for example. You're seeing legal organizations, because they care about things like data sovereignty. They care about security. They care about auditability. They need something that gives them the environment which provides governance as they collaborate with their customers.
Excellent. And ShareFile and Data have been working together for quite some time. Why do you think, if you're not a ShareFile partner, why would somebody consider being a ShareFile partner and having ShareFile on their portfolio?
We've had a 10-year relationship between ShareFile and then now obviously with Progress. So number one, you bring a great deal of domain knowledge and also understand the market. The second thing is, from a partner perspective, there's two avenues. One is the license revenue that goes along when you obviously sell a license, but the second is the services revenue that goes on that you get from taking the customer on a journey. And the technology allows you to mature that client over time, starting out with something as simple as onboarding their vendors and then moving things to like structured collaboration.
ShareFile is very strong in the verticals like legal, finance, and accounting. Why is that? Why do those organizations want to use ShareFile?
That's a great question. Both legal and sort of financial organizations have a very sort of similar sort of needs. And it's around understanding where their data resides, so storage zones, ability to very tightly secure the content, the documents, understand who's touched it, making it auditable, and then also having this sort of development, this collaboration environment which is governed and that provides control around how does a document be shared and developed.
Great. And what do you see as the market demand, or what's driving demand?
I think that the problem that existed 10 years ago is the same problem that is becoming compounded today. AI, in the way it's making us more operationally efficient, is also making the bad actors much more operationally efficient. So the need to be much more protective over sensitive information is growing. What we see is that organizations are very interested in having a very managed method of doing their content, their document development, and the platform gives a very easy way of introducing that to their environments.
Exactly. Security is paramount, and most organizations probably have it at the top of their list. Thank you so much for joining us today at Data. Is there anything else that you'd like to add?
No, this has been fun. Thanks for the time today to talk about ShareFile. And we're excited to continue to build out this relationship and work with the partners inside your region and continue to expand the business here in ANZ.
If you'd like to find out more about ShareFile and Data and join the partner community, please click on the link below or reach out to your Data representative today.